So, you're craving that pad thai, but your American Express gift card is throwing a wrench in your Uber Eats plans. Don't worry, we've all been there. And I'm here to show you some potential workarounds. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Uber Eats doesn't directly accept American Express gift cards as a payment method. I know, bummer. Right. But fear not. We have options. The most straightforward approach is to add the gift card to your digital wallet like PayPal or Google Pay. So, open up either of these apps then. Try adding your Amex gift card to your PayPal or Google Pay digital wallet. Once you've successfully added your Amex gift card to your PayPal or Google Pay balance, go back to your Uber Eats app and select PayPal or Google Pay as your method of payment. At checkout, make sure there is enough funds in the digital wallet to complete payment, or this method will fail. If that doesn't work, and you're still hitting the wall, you can try purchasing an Uber gift card directly through the Uber app by using your Amex gift card to pay for it via PayPal or Google Pay. If after trying these methods you still can't get your American Express gift card to work, it's possible that there are insufficient funds on the card, or that the card has not been properly activated. Double-check the balance and verify the gift card has been activated. That said, if your card is valid but still not working via PayPal, it might be time to contact American Express and see what the issue is. Sometimes certain types of gift cards or restrictions can pop up. Hopefully, one of these strategies helps you unlock that delicious meal. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Happy eating!